Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming basics. Open battery settings and identify the top 3 battery consumers so you know what to target. Next, turn off Bluetooth and GPS if you're not using them. These drain in the background. Once done, inspect the charging cable and port. A faulty cable or lint in the port causes slow charging and heat, which eats battery life. Make sure to use the original charger and avoid fast charge if the device gets hot now, because heat accelerates wear. You now take control of software settings. Force stop or uninstall apps that show high usage and restrict background activity for the rest. This halts unseen syncs. Then reduce screen brightness and set a short screen timeout. The display is often the largest power draw. Once done, enable battery saver or adaptive battery features to limit CPU and network use during low battery. Make sure to check location permissions. Deny always access while using. Finish with maintenance steps that prevent recurring drops. Update your OS and apps because developers patch background battery leaks. Then calibrate the battery. Charge to 100%, use the device until it shuts down, and charge uninterrupted to 100% once more. This corrects reporting. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit, and run a diagnostic app to inspect battery health. If diagnostics show low capacity, consider professional battery replacement. It's the last reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.